Good morning, students. This is Ms. Hart, back with another math bell ringer for this week. Today, we will be exploring simplifying radical expressions. And as you see here, I have -2 with a square root of 3 plus 3 with a square root of 27. There's a couple of things to do in order to solve this radical expression. First, I want to look at the two numbers I have in the radicals. I have a 3 in one radical, and then I have a 27 in another radical. So what I want to do is, I would like to change this 27 to a 3. In order to simplify this, you always want to take your biggest square root and change it to your smallest square root somehow. So now I need to ask myself, well, okay, how can I change this 27 to a 3? That means that I need to think of two numbers. One number has to be a 3. I need to think of two numbers I can multiply together to get 27. And two numbers that you can multiply together to get 27 are 9 and 3. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to now simplify this 27 to a square root of 9 and a square root of 3. And what I'm doing now is I am bringing down everything I did not use yet. I did not use this 3 yet. I did not use this radical 3 yet. And I did not use this -2 yet. And I'm going to put the plus sign back in the middle. And now I would like to see if I have any perfect squares and/or square roots at this point. Well, I would like to focus my attention on the square root of 9. 9 happens to be a perfect square, and because it's a perfect square, I want to just go ahead and simplify that one. So the perfect square of 9 is 3, so then I'm going to bring this out as a 3. And as you see, if I bring down the 3 I did not use yet, these are right beside each other. When these are right beside each other, that means you have to multiply them. And then that'll give me 3 times 3, which is 9. And what I want to do now is, I never use the radical 3. You can't simplify radical 3 because it's not a perfect square. So you're going to leave the 3 inside the radical. And then now what I want to do is, I want to bring down the other half I did not use yet. So the other half I did not use. I did not use the -2 with the root of 3. And as you see, I have a root 3 here and a root 3 here, which means that now you can combine like terms. So if I were to combine -2 plus 9, that gives me 7. And then I just bring it over with the root 3 that I finally got. And then that leaves me with a final answer of 7 root 3. Thank you so much. This has been Ms. Hart with another Math Bell Ringer. Everybody have a good day.